Hi dear students, welcome to my class. Today we can see review articles. Okay, review articles. Let's see review articles. Okay, in journals, okay, in research journals, you can see different types of articles. In previous class, we told about the short communication article that is present in the research journals. And another type of one article is a review articles. Okay, a review article is an article that summarizes the current state of understanding on a topic. Okay, this review article that summarizes the current state of understanding on a topic. That means this review article will summarize the current knowledge or current understanding of a topic. Okay, and the preparation of a review article is based on other published article. Okay, the preparation of this review article is based on the published articles. Then papers will be published by other authors. Okay, from that articles, from that research articles, the author will collect the information and he will prepare the review articles. And this review articles does not report original research. Okay, this review article does not report the or review original research. Okay, they will summarize the information about this topic from the they will collect the information from previously published papers. Okay, that means this review article does not report the original research. Okay, and since this review article summarize the finding of existing literature, okay, this authors of this review article they will summarize the finding of existing literature, so readers can form an idea about the existing knowledge on topic without having to read all published work in that field. Okay, when you are reading a review articles, okay, when you are reading a review article, that will time you will get information about the about that topic without reading all papers that is previously published. Okay, that's why if you are reading a review article, that time you will get all information that is published previously. If you are reading a review article, that time you will get idea about the research papers that is published previously. So you will get all information from these review articles. And generally, most reputed journal publish the review articles. However, you should check the website of that journal whether they will publish this article review articles. Okay, generally most of the journals publish the review article. However, you should check the website of the concerned journals to check whether they will publish this type of review articles. And if published in a good period journal, okay, if you publish a review article in a good peer reviewed journal, the review article have a often you will get a high impact and you will receive a lot of citation. Okay, if you are publishing a review articles in a good journal, that time there's chance to get a high impact and you will receive a lot of citation. Okay, a review article is a article that summarizes the current state of understanding on a topic. A review article that will provide the current knowledge on a topic. And the preparation of a review article is purely depends on the other published article. And this review article does not report the original research. Okay, and since this review articles summarize the existing literature, okay, findings summarize the finding of the existing literature, so readers no need to read the all published work. Okay, readers no need to publish the all published work, but they only need to read this review articles for getting the current state of understanding on a topic. And the most of the reputed channel publish the review article, but how you if you are going to publish a review article in a journal, that time you have to check whether that journal will publish the review article of this type. Okay, and if you are publishing a review article in a good journal, that time you will get a high impact and you will receive a lot of citations. And there is a three type of review articles here. Okay, there are three kinds of review articles. The one is a narrative review, explain the existing knowledge on a topic based on all published research available on a topic. Okay, a narrative review explain. Okay, a narrative review explain the existing knowledge on a topic based on all the published research available on a topic. Okay, and the second one is a systematic review searches for the answer to a particular question in the existing scientific literature on a topic. Okay, a systematic review searches for the answer to a particular question in the existing scientific literature on a topic. And a meta-analysis review compare and combine the finding of previously published studies, usually to assess the effectiveness of intervention or mode of treatment. Okay, a meta-analysis review compare and combines the finding of previously published studies, and this is usually to assess the effectiveness of intervention or mode of treatment. And normally, these review articles teach about the main people working in a field and recent major advances and discoveries and significant gap in research and current debate and idea of where research might go next. Okay, a review article can be three kinds. Review articles can be of three kinds. Okay, first one is a narrative review, explain the existing knowledge on a topic based on all the published research available on a topic. And the second one is a systematic review, search for the answer to a particular question in the existing scientific literature on a topic. And a meta-analysis, compare and combine the finding of previously published studies, and usually to assess the effectiveness of intervention or mode of treatment. And these review articles teach about the main the main people working in a field, and it will teach about recent major advances and discoveries, and it will teach about significant gaps in research, current debates, idea of where research might go next. This is the review article. I hope you understood this class.